I am Tantric Robiosa. I am from the land of black magic, Mayong, Assam. I am the practitioner of ancient Mayong Tantra and Ma Kamakya Tantra. I do all kind of Tantra Kriya, black magic. To remove the obstacle in business, success on court case, free from addiction of alcohol, clear all family problem, some kind of Boshikaran, Mohini Boshikaran, Kamdev Boshikaran, Indra Jal Boshikaran, and powerful Rajmohini Boshikaran. To reunion husband and wife and reunion girlfriend and boyfriend. And I do the perform black magic on humans and remove from black magic from human. Your problem and my solution. Thank you.